Hi, in this video, we'll understand what sales more than stock not allowed error means. Why does this happen and how to fix it? In every store, this situation happens very often. A customer comes to the counter and asks for a medicine. You try to generate the bill, but suddenly an error appears on the screen. Sales more than stock is not allowed by admin. You get confused. The medicine is physically available in the store, but the system isn't allowing the sale. Why does this happen and how can you fix it? Let's understand in this video. This error appears when the stock in the system is zero or negative. In simple words, system stock is equals to physical stock. There can be multiple reasons behind this. Scenario 1. You purchased medicines from the distributor but forgot to enter the purchases in the system. So physically you have stock in the store, but in the software stock is zero, and that's why the system blocks the sale. Scenario 2. Excess purchase return. You returned medicines to the distributor, but the return quantity was more than the available system stock. As a result, the stock becomes negative. For an example, the current stock for in the system is 10 quantities, whereas the return was done for the same product at 13 strips. As a result, the remaining strips are under excess purchase return. And now, during the billing, the system will not allow you to proceed further as it will show an error. Scenario 3. Manual stock adjustment. You adjusted manually the stock from the inventory section. Due to wrong adjustment, the system stock becomes incorrect. So, even if the medicine is available physically, the software shows wrong stock. To avoid all such errors, follow this best practices. First, enter purchases regularly. Second, enter sales properly. Third, do correct stock adjustment when required. So always keep system stock equals to physical stock. So when your stock is accurate, your billing can never stop. Now let's see how to correct these issues. Method 1. If the stock is missing in the system, simply enter the purchase for that product from the purchase screen. After a successful purchase entry, stock will be updated automatically. Method 2. Stock adjustment from the inventory. If you already have stock physically, you can adjust it manually from the screen. Enter the correct physical quantity. Once entered, now your system stock matches your physical stock and the error is resolved. So next time you see this error, sales more than stock is not allowed by admin, don't worry, just remember one thing. Correct system stock is equals to smooth billing. So keep your stock updated and manage your pharmacy smarter with eVitalRx. Thank you.